how to integrate Notion with Todoist. Hello and welcome to our channel, Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Notion with Todoist. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to notion.so and register or log in with your existing Notion account. And after that, you will be directed in the homepage of Notion. And the next thing that you need to do is to open your next tab and enter Todoist.com. Now going back to the homepage of Notion, we can see some of the options on the left side panel, including the search option, updates option, settings and members, new page, and some of the page or project that I have, including the reading list, task list, getting started, quick note, and many more. But before we explore the Notion, we can also discover the other platform such as Todoist. So basically, Todoist is a popular productivity and task management platform that helps individuals and teams organize their tasks, projects, and goals. It also provides a digital to-do list where users can create and track tasks, set due dates, assign priorities, and organize them into projects and subtasks. And now that you know about Todoist, you can now start creating your account in this platform. Now going back to the homepage of Notion, in order to create an integration with Todoist, the next thing that we need to do is to create a blank page. And to do that, just scroll down under this page, which is located on the left side panel, and proceed by clicking Add a Page, in which upon clicking on it, you will see that you have now formed an entitled page. And you can also customize the title of this page. I'm going to enter Todoist integration. And below the title page, you will see some of the options such as empty page, import, templates, table, board, timeline, and many more. In which in those options, all you need to do is to click the empty page. In which upon clicking on it, it will look like this. And as you can see, below the title page, it will show you the two buttons, such as the plus button and the 6-dot button, in which upon clicking on the 6-dot button, you can navigate some of the options such as Ask AI, Delete option, Duplicate, Turn into, Copy link to block, Move to, Comment, and the color option. On the other hand, if you click the plus button, it will show you this option that you can navigate, in which under the Notion AI category, you can ask AI to write, brainstorm ideas, blog posts, including to write an outline, social media posts, press release, make an essay, poem, and many more. And in those options under the plus button, kindly scroll down until you find the option that says Embed under the Embed section. And after that, just proceed by clicking on the Embed option, in which upon clicking on it, it will look like this. And as you can see, we have the two options, such as to embed link or to upload a file, in which by choosing the upload, you can choose a file or import a file from your computer. And it says here that the maximum size per file is 5 MB. But since we're going to integrate the Todoist, we're going to choose the embed link option. And from here, all we need to do is to paste the link of Todoist.com. And to do that, kindly go to the next tab of Todoist.com. And from here, all we need to do is to copy the link or the URL. And on the Notion, kindly paste the link in here. But make sure that before we paste the link, make sure that you log out your account in Todoist.com. And to do that, on the top right corner, kindly click your profile and you will see a variety of options, such as the settings, theme, activity log, print, integrations, and many more. And in those options, kindly proceed by clicking the logout option. And after that, you will be directed in here. And from here, just proceed by clicking on the top right corner, the Start for Free button, in which the next thing that you need to do is to copy the URL or link of this web page. So just copy this and paste it on the embed link on Notion. And after pasting the link, you can now proceed by clicking Embed Link, in which upon doing so, it will show you the result, which is the web page of Todoist.com. And aside from that, you can also customize the layout of this integration. You can resize it, you can crop it, You can change the format of it, the design of this integration, and many more. But in here, the next thing that you need to do is to log in your account in Todoist.com, in which you can continue login using your Google, Facebook, or even your Apple ID. And in those options, I'm going to choose to log in using my Google account. So kindly click on it, and after that, you will be redirected in your Todoist account. However, if it is not working, you can try the other option. So just delete this embed link and proceed by clicking a new one. So selecting an empty page and proceed on the plus button and scroll down until you find on the embed category or section the embed option. And after clicking on it, the next thing that we need to do is to go to the next tab of Todoist.com. And from here, we need to log in our account and choose your email address to continue. And after that, you will be directed in here. And now that you are on the home page of Todoist account, you will notice some of the options such as the inbox, today, upcoming, filters and labels, your project, and many more. And all of that are located on the left side panel. But the next thing that we need to do is to copy the link or URL of this web page. So just select this URL and copy it and just paste on this embed link. And after that, just proceed by clicking the blue button. And from here, just wait for it to load and it will show you the result of your integration. And as you can see here, you have the homepage of your Todoist account, in which you can adjust or customize the size of it. You can crop it, change the format or the design of this integration layout. And aside from that, if you click on it, you will see some of the other options such as to comment, caption, view the original page, or more action, in which it will show you some of the options that you can navigate, including the delete option, duplicate, copy link to original, copy link to block, full screen, and many more. And now that you have integration of Todoist in your Notion account, you can now access your Todoist account without going on the next tab, but just staying on your Notion account, in which you can navigate or check your inboxes, your today task, the upcoming task, the filters and labels, and many more. You can also navigate the task management, projects and subtasks, collaboration and sharing, productivity features, integrations and platform, and many more. And aside from Todoist integration, you can also integrate some of the other platform by clicking on the left side panel, the import option, in which it says here that you can import data easily from any of these following sources, such as Asana, Confluence, HTML, Dropbox Paper, Google Docs, and many more. So that is just how to integrate Notion with Todoist. Thank you.